So proofs of the yesterday theorem. So let U be any non-empty subset of vector space V over the field F. Okay, and then two parts, first part and second part, two parts, two. So first part, subspace given to you. Okay, given that, so this U is a subspace of a vector space V. Subspace means vector space by definition. U is a vector space. A vector space, all 10 property. Okay, satisfied. I want this like combination. So then, of course, if alpha and beta are scalars, and alpha U and V are the vectors, then by properties alpha U belongs to U and beta V belongs to U. Sixth property in the definition. So alpha U belongs to U and beta V, and again now their addition, alpha U plus beta V also belongs to U. It's a closure law. Addition of this part. So this is like addition, obviously true. Okay, so first part. Okay, simple proofs. Now second part. Okay, second part. Now this is given to you. So given that for alpha and beta scalars, U and V are vectors of U, then okay, given to you, alpha U plus beta V belongs to U. Just like given to you. Using this, I want to show subspace. So first theorem, you know, already 2-point theorem. So we use these 2 points. Okay. So here, if you take here alpha and beta as a 1, alpha equals to 1 and beta equals to 1, then this becomes 1 into U plus 1 into V belongs to V. So 1 into U, U, 1 into V, V. So U plus V belongs to U. First point of previous theorem. Okay, we get it. First point of the previous theorem. And for second point, so for second point, okay, beta, I want to know the beta. So beta will be 0, suppose. Beta will be 0. Only I want alpha U. Okay, so beta will be 0. So beta will be 0 then. Alpha U same, beta 0 belongs to U. 0 into V is 0 belongs to U. So alpha U belongs to U. So the second point. So first point, U plus V belongs to U. Closure law. Satisfied. And alpha U belongs to U. So from 1 and 2. Remember 1 and 2. And theorem. So this U is a subspace. First theorem. So this proof of second part also. Okay, so where the two theorems are, first theorem, separate 2 points are verified or apply combined condition, any points, any theorems, first theorem or second theorem, use in a problems. Now see problems, examples on these theorems. So first example, prove that intersection of two subspaces, Krishna, two subspaces of a vector space is a subspace. Again, intersection of two subspaces is also again subspace. Intersection. Okay. Suppose here is a vector space U, one subspace, V, other subspace. So this will be a intersection. This will be a intersection of this both. So this third set also a subspace. So let U and V, this W, U and W are two subspaces of vector space V over the field F. Okay. U and W are the two subspaces. Now subspace means vector space. So U and W are vector spaces. Vector space, all properties, all 10 properties are practiced. I am actually 0. So 0 belongs to U and 0 belongs to W. Added elements with respect to addition must be exist. So 0 belongs to U, 0 belongs to W. That means 0 belongs to their intersection, common element, intersection. That means what? Non-empty set. So first we verify non-empty set. So this relation set is a non-empty, non-empty subset of V. So first verify non-empty point and then to subspace. Okay, now that's theorems used. So let alpha and beta two scalars and U belongs to intersection set and V belongs to intersection set. So U and V are the two vectors of that set which we have to show is a subset. Now U belongs to intersection means what? U belongs to U as well as U belongs to W. From the second, V belongs to U as well as V belongs to W. Use first for U capital as capital U is a subspace of a V. Therefore we can apply theorem. So by the theorem, actually second theorem. Okay. So if alpha beta are scalars and U and V are vectors of U, okay, then alpha U plus beta V belongs to U. Second theorem. U is a subspace, alpha scalars, and U and V are the two vectors of this U, and U is a subspace. Therefore, second theorem. Okay, alpha U plus beta V belongs to U. Same technique for W also, as W is a subspace of vector space V. Therefore, alpha beta are the two scalars and U and V are the two vectors of V. Sorry, W. Okay. Then by the theorem. Second theorem. So alpha U plus beta V belongs to W also. W subspace, U subspace. Therefore, second theorem. Now combine 1 and 2. So from 1 and 2, alpha U plus beta V belongs to U. Alpha U plus beta V belongs to W. Therefore, alpha u plus beta v belongs to their intersection. Common element intersection is okay. So therefore now this intersection set is a subspace. So condition of subspace satisfied. Okay. So if you use subspace, W subspace, then their intersection is also subspace. So okay, next problem. First problem answers.